Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is Independence Day. In this question, Independence Day is on the 15th of August and we are given a date X August and we must find how many days are left for the Independence Day. And if the Independence Day has already passed, we need to print -1 instead. So in the input will be given a single integer x representing the date in August, and in the output we need to print the number of days left for the Independence Day or -1 if it has already passed. In the constraints we're given a number in between 1 and 31 which represents the days in August. So now let's see the sample input. So in the first input we're given 1 and there are 14 days left for the Independence Day, so we'll be printing 14. In the second input, it's 15, so the Independence Day is today itself. So the answer would be 0. In the third, the Independence Day has already passed, so we'll be printing -1. Now for the solution, what we all we need to do is take in the input of x, and if x is greater than 15, that means the Independence Day has already passed, so we'll print -1. Otherwise, we'll be printing 15 minus x, representing the number of days left for the Independence Day. So now let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll begin by taking in the input of x as integer. And if x is greater than 15, we'll be printing -1. Otherwise, we'll be printing 15 minus x. Now in the sec, now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll start by taking in the input of x. And if x is greater than 15, we'll be printing -1. Otherwise, we'll be printing 15 minus x. And that's it. So the overall time complexity for this would be constant because we're just doing 5, 6 number of operations. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.